Have you ever tried to change the color of an app folder on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra but could not find the option anymore? You might think the feature was removed, but actually it's still there. Samsung just moved it to a new place. Let me show you where to find it. First, go to your home screen or app screen, then look at the folder you want to customize. Instead of tapping the folder, long press the folder. Now tap Setting. Inside this menu, you will see several customization options for the folder. At the top, you can rename the folder if you want to change its name. Below that, you can change the folder color by selecting one of the available color. Here, you can also adjust the color opacity using the slider, which lets you control how transparent or solid the folder background looks. After you finish customizing the folder, tap Save to apply the change. And that's it. Your folder will now appear with a new color and opacity on your home screen or app screen. This new settings panel makes it easier to organize your folders and personalize how they look on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.